how to do the baby filter on CapCut. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to do the baby filter on CapCut. So if you want to learn how it sounds, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, we need to head over to our Play Store and actually download Remini. So after you have downloaded it, just open Remini right here, and then from in there you can see this generate photos. So click on generate photos, you can click on plus, click on let's do it, and then just set up your profile. So my profile is female, and continue this. Click on upload 8 selfies, so just click on OK. I got it, and I will upload 8 selfies right here that will best define me, for example. So I will just add in selfies, click on continue, click on great, and then you can pick a model image. So for example, my model image will be this right here. Click on use this model image, and then in here you can just subscribe to Remini in order to do this one right here. Now once you have subscribed to Remini, you can download your actual picture, and then from in there you can now head over and download it, and then just try to cancel the subscription in order for you to not be charged. So after you have done it, what you need to do next is to head over to TikTok, and then from in there, let's just try to close the TikTok right here first, and then click on the search right here, and then from in here just search for AI baby filter trend, for example, and then this will generate this right here. So let's click on this one, and then click on this link, and then you can see this CapCut try this template right here. So let's click on this, and then click on use template in CapCut. So let's use this template, and then this will open our CapCut. So click on use template in here again, and then from in there you can just add in the photo that you have. So for example here, and then here right here, then click on preview, and then this will send us to our CapCut. Then click on export, and then you can export it to your Twitter without watermark. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you how to do the baby filter trend on TikTok. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.